Example 2.2. Two charges 3 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb and minus 2 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb are located 15 centimeter apart. At what points on the line joining the two charges in the electric potential 0? Take the potential at infinity to be 0. Okay, now let us take charge Q1 is at A and charge Q2 at B. Thus, total separation, that is, the distance between AB is given as 15 centimeter. Now, we will assume one point between AB such that the total potential at P equal to 0. If total potential at P equal to 0, then potential V equal to K into Q1 by R1 plus KQ2 by R2. But we have taken potential V is 0. Therefore, Q1 by R1 plus Q2 by R2 equal to 0. Now, we'll substitute the values. Q1 is given as 3 into 10 to the power minus 8. So 3 into 10 to the power minus 8, which is separated at the distance x, and B charge is minus 2 into 10 to the power minus 8. Here 10 to the power minus 8 is common, it will get cancelled. So 3 by x plus the charge is minus 2 and the separation is 15 minus x equal to 0. 3 by x equal to 2 by 15 minus x. Do the cross multiplication. 3 into 15 minus x equal to 2x. 15 3s are 45 minus 3x equal to 2x. 45 equal to minus 3x will come this side, so 5x. X equal to 9 centimeter means from charge A at 9 centimeter, potential is 0. Now, is there any other point that we have to think now? One point we got in between, that is Q1 and Q2 in between. Now we go for case 2. Let us take a point outside Q2, that is in the right side of Q2. There may be potential is 0. Why have to take right side of Q2? Why I can't take left side of Q1? First, I would like to give the explanation for this. Now, I have taken right side of Q2. Suppose at this point, potential is 0. This is my assumption. Now, let us take Q1P equal to X2 and Q2P equal to X1. Suppose potential at point P equal to 0, then equation becomes 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 divided by X2 plus Q2 divided by X1. For potential to be 0 at point P, means Vp value 0. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q1 by X2 plus Q2 by X1 equal to 0. This 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, it cancels. Now Q1 by X2 plus Q2 by X1 equal to 0, or Q1 by X2 equal to minus of Q2 by Q1. If you do the cross multiplication, Q1 X1 equal to minus Q2 X2. Now, from this equation, we will come to know one important information. Suppose Q1 is greater, then X1 should be small. I repeat, if Q1 value is more, then X1 should be less. If Q2 is less, and X2 should be more. This implies Q1 is more. Yes, because Q1 is 3 and Q2 is minus 2. If Q1 is more, X1 value should be less. X1, what is our assumption? This one. This is our X1. And minus Q2 is less. Therefore, X2 should be more. X2 should be more. This implies the second point where potential 0, that should be near to negative charge, near to smaller charge. That's why I'm selecting the second point, that is P, which is on the right side of Q2, but not on left side of Q1, because Q1 is larger charge. So, the second point where potential 0, it is very near to the smaller charge. Now we will proceed. So A and B, the selected point is P. Okay, the total separation is given 15 centimeter. Let us take a point B where potential is 0, which is at the distance x. Now, okay, the the charge 3 into 10 to the power minus 8 is at the separation of 15 plus x. Therefore, Q1 by x2. Q1 by x2 becomes 3 by 15 plus x. Here to here 15, here to here x. 15 plus x, that is equal to 2 into the separation is x. That is minus 2 when you are taking this to the side 2. Now if you do the cross multiplication, 3x equal to 2 into 15 plus x, 3x equal to 30 plus 2x, x equal to 30 centimeter. What is our x now? Where we have assumed x? X is here to here. BP is taken as x. Therefore, BP value is 30 centimeter. Always keep in the mind when two charges are given, potential will be 0 at one point in between and second point is right side of negative charge.